Welcome to Wix Sampler tutorial number 4, and today we're going to learn how to add an image into a paragraph and how to group an image and a paragraph together. So we're going to start with this paragraph right here, and you can see I've added a little bit of space between the words the and on. We're going to stick an icon there. So the first thing I want to do is go to Media, and we're going to click on the Media icon and then click on the Upload Media button, the blue up arrow, and then click on Upload from Computer. So we have our plus button image here we're going to add in. Let's go ahead and add that. And we can see now that is in our media gallery and our site files. And then we're going to go ahead and just add it to the page. So now we want to put it up here in our paragraph. However, we want it to be smaller, so you can just click on any of the corners where you get this diagonal arrow and go ahead and change the size of your image. So let's go ahead and stick that right there in the middle. Okay, and now we have our image and we have our paragraph. So we click on our image and we click on our paragraph and then click on Group Elements, and that will lock these two items together. So now if we move this around the page, they move together. And that is how you add an image and lock it into a paragraph and group them together.